Hi, welcome to Module 2, Introduction to Hardy-Weinberg Law. In this module, you will be introduced with Hardy-Weinberg Law and learn how to calculate the frequencies by using the Hardy-Weinberg equation. So, by the end of this module, you will be able to solve the typical Hardy-Weinberg problems. So, let's get started. In 1908, a British mathematician, Hardy, and a German physician, Wilhelm Weinberg, independently derived a simple mathematical expression that predicts stability of allele and genotype frequencies from one generation to the next. It is called as the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. It states that under a given set of conditions, the allele and genotype frequencies in a population do not change and remains constant from one generation to the next. Now, let's look at the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is applicable if certain conditions are met in a population. There are 5 conditions that must be met. First, large population size. The population is so large that allele frequencies do not change due to random chance. Second, random mating. Each individual in a population has an equal chance of mating with any individual of the opposite sex. Third, no mutation. It means no biochemical changes in DNA that produce new alleles. Fourth, no migration. Individuals do not travel between different populations. In simple words, it means there's no gene flow between the population. And the last one, no natural selections. All organisms survive and have the same reproduction potential. So, when we say a population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, it means that evolutionary change is not occurring and allele frequencies will stay the same across generations. Therefore, it allows us to predict genotype frequencies in living populations. To understand this law even better, we will see the expression of this allele and come up with equations. Remember our previous example in module 1 on the seed color of the pea plant? So we're going to use the same example here. So the pea plant has two different alleles, big Y and small y. So the frequency of the dominant allele will be represented by P and the frequency of the recessive allele will be represented by Q. As I had mentioned earlier in module 1, the sum of all frequencies must equal 1. Hence, P plus Q equal to 1. Therefore, if P equal to 0.2, so we're going to enter this value into P plus Q equal to 1. So 0.2 plus Q equal to 1, Q equal to 1 minus 0.2. So finally, we're going to get the value of Q as 0.8. So in other words, if the allele frequency of dominant equals 20%, then the remaining 80% of allele must be small y.